is gonna bounce.
Francis, nakalusot.
Palitan dito ng mga tira. Can you imagine, mabuyak, kapwesto niya itong si Asistio pati si Nocum. Pero number 1 sa cheering squad yan. Ayun, no, nakatayo na naman siya dyan after that 3 of Adrian Nocum.
Dalawa yung nakatayong player doon sa
Pero pag
bench.
natalo ka, na-exaggerate yan. So that is how important
Oh, look
this
at that.
game is. Tama ka. And taking on the scoring cudgels is their input. That is how important a factor.
Shine. Santillan fires away. That's a 3.
Taas ng score na Rainer. And you can see, mas malalim itong kupunan ng Rainer Shine. So yes, good offensively. 33 points already for Phoenix.
Belga. Good pass to
Oh, superb.
Jongson.
Great read by Bo Belga. Usually he will take
It
that.
has been the same pace, coach, since the start of the game.
This guy is an intelligent player. You're correct. With the pace of the game, napakabilis, tinatapatan ng Phoenix yung ng mga manlalaro mo. And I am certain that Coach Shanghai is mighty proud with all the players na dumaan sa kanya. Francis, buwis buhay ang depensa nitong si John Garito. Pero that time, hindi niya tayo narinig.
Next up by 2. So, you know, it's both teams performing well. And how about Mamuyak? We mentioned he came off the bench. Immediate impact.
We discussed this briefly. Yung laban itong Rainer Shine at ng Phoenix in the first quarter, nakikipagtapatan sa bilis. Maganda itong panimula nitong Phoenix, pero
Nocum sees an opening, and he loves the open court. He finishes through the foul.
and this is exactly what I was saying. Francis was defending 35 feet away from the basket. That means
Buwan at takbuhan dito. Hazul for 4. He knocks it down.
oh, it seems like a bad shot becomes a good one pag
To
pumasok.
take Mamuyak. Pinabagsak in depensa Rivero. Makes his move, and again Mamuyak refuses to be picked up. Offensive foul on down ng court. Pwede na tumulong sa kapwa.
Magkakaibigan. Yun lang, kasi talagang warrior mentality yan.
Kaya dami ng atletang tinulungan ni Coach Sheng, di ba? When he won yung kanyang case in the Supreme Court. And how about this? Eat that too.
Marami pa. Pwede pang may ilalabas pa yan.
Grabe rin talaga tong Brandon Francis. Oh, but looks like they want to check. Tingnan is yung magic number of 6. That's what they see. Oh, Aslemeti! Time and again, he is proving how good a shooter he is.
Knows how to score in traffic. Kaya didepensahan mo talaga. Zumona na itong Phoenix. But great timing. Just so cool and composed. Great face-up shot. And now, Rainer Shine.
Tarakot attacking. The spray to Mamuyak. 3 on the way.
It's a great rhythm pass. Nice assist pass. Karakot to Mamu. Yung bang
Mamuyak again. Other side. Back to back.
oh, excellent assist pass and great timing of that pass. First, they went inside.
They go to Nocum. Ang ganda naman nun.
Sayang yung chance na yun, Perkins.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos sunado. Ang laban!